Hello, everyone. Welcome to this fifth ASHVIN podcast series presenting innovation stories of our partners. I am Natalia Cediel, Marketing Manager at Australo, the partner running the communication of the project, and your host today. ASHVIN is an innovation and research project supported by the European Commission's Horizon 2020 program. It develops a novel system based on digital twin technologies, which aims to foster safety and productivity of the European construction sector. ASHVIN runs for 3.5 years, and it gathers a group of 15 partners, including universities, SMEs, industry partners, all experts in digital transformation of the construction sector. This mini podcast series presents innovations resulting from ASHVIN's technical work packages. We want to share with you our partners' perspectives and show how ASHVIN is working towards the construction industry of tomorrow with novel digital solutions that respect the European policies, values, and regulations. Today, we are talking about digital twins for construction processes with Manuel Jungmann. Hello, Manuel. It's very nice to have you here with us. Manuel is a research assistant at the Civil Engineering System Department of the Technical University of Berlin. He works on simulation and construction processes. Hello, Manuel.
Hi, Natalia. Thanks for the introduction.
So please, Manuel, we would like to hear more about yourself. So what is your main role in this project?
Well, I'm a research assistant at TU Berlin, and I'm responsible for the DES tool, the discrete event simulation tool. And I'm responsible for one demo site, the industrial building in Germany. In our research regarding the DES tool, we investigate how we can use real-time data, process data collected during construction to manage ongoing processes, on-site processes, according to the digital twin concept. So more precisely, we collect data on site. For example, we mounted sensors, kinematic sensors on construction equipment, or collected time-lapse images and transferred this data to the IoT platform. Next, we use AI, in particular machine learning, to analyze the data and extract reliable activity durations. And this set of durations is further processed by stochastic modeling to consider real-life dynamics. So we get dynamic database durations that are used as inputs for the DES tool. And the DES tool is updated and calibrated continuously according to the inputs. So this is a continuous process of updating according to an enriched amount of data. And subsequently, the tool can be used for modeling a multitude of different construction possibilities. For example, we can model different resource allocations or different delivery scenarios. And based on the inputs, the DES tool forecasts KPIs regarding productivity, resource efficiency, and safety. And these data-driven KPIs can form the basis for the decision-making process. And thus, we want to implement lean construction principles, such as just-in-time delivery or the reduction of manual planning effort. Well, the final decisions are up to project managers, but the results of the DES tool should support project managers during the decision-making process. And this is an iterative procedure. So if construction proceeds, new data are collected, the model is updated, and so on. And so the whole approach is based on the plan, do, study, act cycle for continuous production improvement.
Very interesting. And which is the specific challenge your innovation addresses?
Construction processes are highly dynamic and uncertain, as each building is a unique product built by different staff under changing circumstances, for example, different weather conditions. So it's impossible to predict processes perfectly in advance. But we want to provide more reliable or more realistic forecasts by using up-to-date information based on real-time data. One main challenge in our approach is to enable a continuous, stable data collection. On construction side, many resources are moving continuously, so many processes take place, and thus data collection is quite complicated. For example, one problem is usually there's no construction-wide internet connection available, and therefore we have to look at how we can establish an internet connection to transfer data from site to the IoT platform. Additionally, we need to look, or we have to develop data processing methods for extracting information from the collected data, because the data only generate value if we can derive useful information. And reliable inputs are essential for using the DES tool or for successful usage of the tool.
Okay, and could you please walk us through your innovation and how do you think your contribution can improve the construction sector of tomorrow?
The main contribution of our approach is to improve construction management through more realistic forecasts based on real-time data, and thus we want to achieve a more productive, more resource-efficient and safer way of construction. In current construction practice, management is often based on generic assumptions, but due to the unique character of each project, these assumptions are not always applicable. And due to the continuous data collection in our approach, we want to provide up-to-date information regarding current processes, and the DES tool uses this up-to-date information to provide meaningful stochastic forecasts. And I think the continuous updating of the model to generate more realistic forecasts, this is the main benefit of the digital twin approach. And another benefit of the tool is the straightforward usage. So users just enter some inputs, but doesn't require much time for modeling. So the modeling time is reduced to a minimum. And modeling of simulation models actually takes quite much time. So in general, we want to facilitate a transition from a rather subjective to a data-driven decision-making process. The final decisions are up to staff with site knowledge, but the DES tool and the forecast should be understood as means of support for construction management.
That's very interesting. So Manuel, thank you very much for being here with us.
Thanks, Natalia. It was a pleasure.
Have a very nice day and hear you soon. Bye. Remember that you have the opportunity to benefit from these innovations with the ASHVIN initiative. We are onboarding only 50 European projects on our platform to provide a first-hand experience with digital twins in the construction industry, completely free of charge. Are you interested? Write us an email. Thank you for listening. I hope that this episode gave you new ideas about how new technologies can play a role in addressing the challenges that we face in the construction sector. Hear you soon. Bye.